Good evening, friend. Today's date is 23 December 2021, and today's video topic is deadlock in Java. Before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadharange. I'm from Latur and currently stay in Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University in 2017. My hobbies are playing cricket. There are 5 members in my family, including me. So before starting, let's start. Don't waste time. Let's start today's video topic: deadlock in Java. So deadlock is a part of multi-threading. Deadlock it can be occur in a situation where the thread is waiting for the object, and that is acquired by another thread, and second thread is for the object which is acquired for the first thread ahead. Means both thread, if two classes have two different methods. When first one thread have two threads. When we start the program, you have two threads. When one thread is execute the first their method, and another also simultaneously another thread is execute their own thread. When we call that when the one first thread one is goes to the another class method, it's required the permission of that thread to execute that thread. Means they have to deadlock. Means there are a class level or object level lock. When both threaded are it required first thread required for the need to open the lock of the class 2, and class 2 thread 2 required to open the class of 1. In this condition, since both threads are waiting for each other to release the lock, and this condition is called as deadlock. This condition is called as deadlock condition. The deadlock is maybe include more than two thread. The reason is that it can be difficult to detect the deadlock. Here the example we will the 4 thread have a means there are a number of threads deadlock is present. Means there are more than. Let's see the example of deadlock is suppose you have there are two floor, fourth floor and fifth floor. Let's see, and fourth floor have some classroom, and we need to be clean that classroom, and also two classroom 1, classroom 2, and also for fifth floor has two classroom 1 and 2. This classroom need to be clean. When we start the multi-threading, that both thread are simultaneously simultaneously goes inside that, and they have to work. When this thread, the working of that operation is when classroom 1 is clean, then these are the goes to the fifth floor classroom number 2, and when classroom fifth floor classroom 1 is clean, after that this thread goes to the classroom 4 fourth floor classroom 2. These are the condition. When the both working are the same simultaneously, it's required. It is both methods are synchronized. Means you have thread set. Means one thread goes to inside any class, working inside a class. Another thread does not get goes to that class. Means these are the situation to means there are thread set. Any other thread does not goes inside any classes. Means these are thread shape synchronize the class. Means threads are shape or time they require more time to execute that. These are the some condition where there is some condition which is both thread are simultaneously waiting for each other, and these are the condition to the one thread is called to another thread. You get come out from first, and I will go it. Otherwise, I will does not get back to that class. These are the some deadlock condition in Java. These are some producer and consumer are the also example of the deadlock to or These are some example of the deadlock. These are the little bit information about deadlock. Thank you.